What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute and simple bow. All you need is wire edge ribbon, chenille stem, and scissors. So to get started, and then you can measure if you want to make it perfect. I just kind of estimate. You make a loop, so we folded it just like this. Then I'm going to bring the other side and fold it the same, and then I'm just going to twist it just like that and make another loop, and hold this as tight as you can, and then I'm going to twist it one more time. And I'm just wanting the right side of the ribbon to show, so you can see, like, this is the back of the ribbon. It's lighter, kind of faded, and the back and the front of the ribbon is a dark, rich color. So that's why I twist it. If the ribbon is double-sided, then you don't have to twist it. Alright, so I'm making that last loop, just like that, and squishing it all together in the center. Now I'll bring it down to make a large loop and make sure the right side meets it, and just scrunch it together. So this is what it looks like. Then we're going to make one more loop, and this one should be slightly longer than the last one, and just scrunch it together. So this is what it looks like. You see, you have a large loop and a small loop, and then you have the bow up here. You see? And then if you want, you can add another loop even longer. Alright, so you have this all scrunched together. And you can also tie this together with bow wire if you have it. So you use your chenille stem. You're just going to make it nice and tight. And I'm actually trying to make the chenille stem kind of thick because this is going to serve as my center. Just like that. And you see you still have your two loops over here and two over here. Now, last thing we're going to do is cut these loops. Just try to estimate the center and cut. And cut. So, as you can see, there we go. And for one final touch, I'm just going to ribbon cut the ends. You just fold it in half, the two open ends on the bottom, the fold on the top, and you cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Just like that. And you're all done. Very cute, very simple.